Hey traders, welcome to the Renko Kings community. We're thrilled to have you with us today. In this video, we'll work on building your very own automated trading strategy by using Breakout Hunter and Comma Pro in NinjaTrader 8. So, are you ready? To get started, we will check out the product pages for Breakout Hunter and Comma Pro to learn about their NinjaScript signals. Now, let's break down the signals. We will use the signal trade function of Breakout Hunter. If you see a value of 1, that means bullish signal. And a value of -1 means bearish signal. On the other hand, Comma Pro gives us a signal trend. 1 indicates an uptrend. And -1 indicates a downtrend. Let's take a closer look at these signals on the chart. First, open your indicator dialog and add Breakout Hunter and Comma Pro to your chart. For Breakout Hunter, we will need to adjust its parameters a little bit to enhance the number of signals. Uncheck the auto scale box. Finally, adjust the signal trade plot. Next up is Comma Pro. Follow the same configuration steps as you did for Breakout Hunter. Remember to disable the auto scale box and adjust the signal state plot color. Once you've set everything up right, click on your chart and select Show Data Box. This feature allows you to visually compare the signal values, which is helpful when setting conditions in the strategy builder. Here's what to look for. Breakout Hunter. Blue markers represent bullish signals with a value of 1, while pink markers indicate bearish signals with a value of -1. Comma Pro. Green plot value 1 for uptrend, and pink plot value -1 for downtrend. Here is our trading strategy. When the Comma Pro's plot indicates an uptrend, we only select buy signals from Breakout Hunter. When the Comma Pro's plot indicates a downtrend, we only select sell signals from Breakout Hunter. Now let's dive into building your automated trading strategy using the strategy builder. Okay, let's get started. First, open the Control Center window. Once you're there, click New and select Strategy Builder. Great! Now you're in the Strategy Builder. Click Next and let's name your strategy. How about Breakout Hunter Comma Pro strategy? Now it's time to set up the conditions for your strategy. We need 2 sets, one for buy conditions and one for sell conditions. For your buy set, click Add, and then select Indicator. Look Ninja Breakout Hunter in the list. Adjust its settings, match what you have on your chart. Set the numeric value as needed. Now it's Comma Pro turn. We will follow the same steps. Adjust parameters and choose signal trend from value plots. Set the numeric value for it. In the Do the Following section, click Add, then choose Order Management. For the buy set, select a long order type. For the sell set, choose a short order type. If you want to see your conditions visually on the chart, you can add vertical lines. Click Add, then select Drawing. Scroll down to choose Vertical Line. In the tag box, open the String Builder. Click Set. Go to MISC and select Current Bar. This will draw the line at the bar where your conditions are met. For the sell set, you can simply duplicate the buy set and adjust the logic condition for the sell set. Also, it's a good idea to use different colors for your buy and sell vertical lines. It really helps with visual clarity and makes it easier to see what's happening on your chart. Now, let's move to the stops and targets section. Click Add to set your values for the profit target and stop loss. The values shown here are merely for reference, so be sure to analyze the market yourself and select appropriate ratios for your risk management. Next, it's time to put your strategy into action on the chart. Start by clicking the Strategies icon at the top toolbar to open your strategy list. Find your Breakout Hunter, Pro strategy, add it to the chart. And make sure to check the Enable box to activate it. And just a gentle reminder, before you go live, it's a great idea to test your auto trading strategy on a simulation account first. Better safe than sorry, right? Now let's see how our automated strategy, combining Breakout Hunter and Pro, is performing. Thank you so much for watching. Best of luck with your trading journey.